Hi, Meryl.
Hi!
So, kamusta ka naman after ng reading? How long did you rehearse the reading?
Well, see, Adele sent the materials early, so at least I was able to read it. And alam mo yun, masam-sam talaga yung mga salita. And I'm very happy kasi this is my second time to read for the book launch of Surrey.
So, of course, even kasabay ng pagti-TV mo, nagti-theater ka rin, and of course, you're very much aware sa socio-political issues sa bansa. So, do you have any comments about the baha, about the contractors and stuff?
Well, yun nga, I was asked earlier, and ang masasabi ko lang is, I think, nakakaisa tayong Pilipins na dinismaya, kasi nalulungkot. Ako personally, malungkot ako sa nangyari. So, parang, ngayon, siyempre, it's a spectacle, no? Pero, I think the most important question is, what's next for us Filipinos? What are we going to do? Ano yung mga what are we going to do? What are we going to do next? What are we going to do for this not to happen again? What are we going to do? Yung long-term siguro na planning on how we're gonna solve this. Kasi, malungkot na nasa tayong mga kababayan natin, pag-ulan, mabilis magmakain, ito pala yung bakit, ito pala yung reason why. So, malungkot ako as a Filipino.
So, speaking of what are we going to do next, what are you going to do next, and what are you doing now?
Well, busy ako sa pagpapalaki sa aking 4-year-old na toddler. Busy kami as parents. But, of course, may mga project na naka-line up, so very excited about it.
Anything new you discovered about yourself and about your partner while, of course, rearing the child?
Oh my God, I think it's such a great experience, no? Kasi when I was raising Eli, my panganay, I was a single mom. So it's such a great experience na now I have a co-parent na kasama ko sa everyday na task sa amin as parents, sa pagpapalaki sa amin. So maraming discoveries, definitely, individually and together.
So, is there anything, any dream role still you want to do as an actress?
Naku, matatagalan tayo dahil mahaba pang listahan ko, no?
Sige, top 3 na parang.
Siguro, gusto ko ng isang Le Femme Nikita.
Wow!
Yes,
alam
yes.
Na.
Siguro gusto ko ng film about mental health, about parents na suffering from mental health. And I think I want to do a historical film. Yeah, yun hindi ko pa siya masyadong nagagawa. So, yeah.
Sinong favorite hero mo?
Oh my God. Sa Pilipinas?
Yeah.
Gusto ko kasing gumawa ng Gabriela Silang.
Palay mo, di ba?
Wow. So, calling out mga producers.
Palay mo mag-produce si creation ng Gabriela Silang. Oh, siya daw yung... yeah. So, yan. Speaking of Gabriela Silang, they have any reaction to the ano ngayon, di ba? Kasi there's all the buzz about the new Quezon film. Have you seen the trailer?
I'm very excited. And kumukuha ni Ego si Quezon actually. So excited ako to see the film.
Yeah. So, this is of course a book launch. Ikaw, ano yung mga paborito mong basahing libro? Or let's say the book na lang na so far pinaka-profound yung ano sa'yo, naging effects?
Well, I'm reading Anxious Generation by Jonathan Haidt right now. And of course, palaki ako ng isang Gen Z, so it's very important na mga insights about what's happening in the world sa social media. And of course, plus I have a toddler, so it's good to see how yung shifts na nangyayari sa bansa, sa mind ng isang bata and sa mind natin as a generation with internet. So I really love that book right now.
Speaking of generation, di ba, different generations parang, di ba, they look up to Nora Honor, and kanina nga parang kahit nung April pa na mayapa siya, parang she's never forgotten eh. So what do you have like a personal experience with her? What can you say about her legacy in Philippine cinema and our nation as a whole?
Well, first of all, ako ang kanyang bodyguard pag nag-yossi kami. Kami natin, guys.
Yan ang bagong trivia.
Si Senyasan lang na ako na, nakili ka na. Alam ko na yan.
Yun yung headline, Meryl bodyguard ni Nora.
Oo, bodyguard ako niya pag mag-yossi kami. Nag-yossi pa ako. So, pag nag-yossi kami, ako yung kanyang bodyguard. So, and I love working with her. She's such a generous actor. And, syempre, malungkot ako, but at least, di ba, nung yumamo si Ate Guy, the rightfully title of a national artist, bago siya na yumamo. So, I'm very proud na nakatrabaho ko siya, nakasama ko siya sa bodyguard niya. Kasi kami, I'm just very happy that I was able to work with her.
Thank